The sound was the drops of blood, sweat, and tears. Africans falling in the sand. The sound of the making and molding of the clay and the planting of new seeds in the holes that remained. The sound of the rhythm formed when they were called new names, Gullah and Geechee. Oak-lined roads and marsh-blown seaways are the layout of the homeland of Africans in America, called Gullah. We trace our roots deeply into Carolina and Georgia soil and extend our branches into Florida and from there around the world. We embrace our cousin cultures of the Windward Coast and the Caribbean. When we got here, they told us to forget. They attempted to isolate us as a ploy of greed, but our ancestors nurtured the Gullah seed. Their words still ring out underneath the oak tree. Huna kin yeri dem for truth.